It's a scorcher. You know what's worse than heat and humidity? When your home's air conditioning breaks down.
Oh, no.
That's when they call me, an independent Goodman dealer.
Thank goodness.
I'll install a new, energy-efficient, refreshingly affordable Goodman air conditioner. When your home feels like it's the hottest place on earth, it's good to know there's a local Goodman dealer nearby.
Daddy's home.
Hey!
Long day.
Thank goodness for Goodman.